So far, I'm very happy with the quality of the Mini GT FK8 Type R, starting from the very first FK8 Type R in blue to the latest arrival in red. They released their diecast in their own pace, without rushing into things, and that's what I want to see. And they put effort into their quality control and improvement on the casting over time, such as this latest Type R in red. Box-wise is pretty generic. It's similar to the rest of the Mini GT mainline Type R. Its casting is the right-hand drive. Now let's take a closer look on this latest casting. Not just a recolor, Mini GT has made some subtle improvement on this casting. Is it the improvement on the top or the rear window? No, it's not. Is it the improvement on the front, such as the logo and the headlight? No, it's not. In fact, Mini GT improved the visibility of the bonnet line by deepening the recessed line to make it more visible. Compare it with the earlier Type R in white, you can see there's a big difference. The bonnet line is always there, but it's not deep enough. I can't say that the paint on the white Type R is thicker also. It's not, it's consistent. They make the refinement on the mold, deepen the recessed line, and add panel lining to make the bonnet line more obvious. Unlike others, the improvement on the bonnet line will make this FK8 more appealing and looks better in photography. And you can see a huge difference here on the before and after, which make the red FK8 Type R better than the others. So far, I'm very pleased with all the Type R released by Mini GT. This is definitely not a QC issue, but an initiative by Mini GT by making the casting better and improvement over time while keeping the cost low. It will be interesting to compare the red with the Tomica again. And yes, I'm a happy consumer when it comes to Mini GT. Thanks everyone, bye!